Once upon a time, there was a kingdom called Luminara, ruled not by one queen, but
Order is the heart of peace. Without rules, a kingdom falls. People don't need walls to feel safe. They need care, clue, and freedom.
You ignore tradition, Nyra. This is dangerous. And you ignore the people, Aurelia. That's worse.
But when the sisters stopped listening, the kingdom itself began to break.
Two queens, two paths, one heart must unite. They tried to save Luminara alone, and failed.
This isn't working. I was wrong! I never hated you. I only feared losing control. I'll stay back.
No, we move together. Not power, not freedom, but balance was the key. We rule as one.
And Luminara healed because
Law with compassion. Freedom with responsibility.
Two queens, two worlds, one heart.